Hi, this is Abhishek Rawal. I'm from expresscomputer.in and today we have Prashanthi Reddy, the DLS chair for Bombay Management Association and President Strategic Initiatives, Yes Bank. Thank you for your time. So, as a part of your association with BMA, you interact with a lot of employees, with a lot of CXOs, and even people from top management as far as what's happening in the digital in various areas in various businesses. So, what are some of the trends that you see? What as far as digital transformation is concerned, are we still at a very mature stage, or are we still at a premature stage, or how far have we reached in terms of various businesses, or say even for that matter banking in particular?
What I would say is there is three ways to look at it. One is who is using these? It's a customer, like a consumer, right? How is the consumer getting impacted, and is he really wanting to go completely digital? So most of the industries are really like being very careful in navigating. Should I be still physical? Should I shift to digital? Some of us are even talking about phygital. Now phygital is like I have one foot here, one foot here, right? So it's up to, what I would say is it's up to looking at how business is going to look at their customer. So my core business is going to be core, but how am I going to serve that to the customer is going to be the way that it's going to change. Second would be, how am I ahead of my customer's behavior, right? That means data driven decisions would be predominantly dominating every decision as we go forward, be it physical, be it digital, anything. Data is going to drive some of those important decisions. Third is definitely technology, and we're talking about digital, of course. Technology underlying factor is how are we going to embrace technology into our businesses is the way to do. Now, trends we talk about in digital or in technology, definitely I would say AI, ML, like we've talked about it so much in detail. The second part would be how we are looking at customer behaviors. What are the personas, what are the behaviors that we can actually look at and learn from the customer, because today customers are not going to be loyal unless, because it is a very, very vast space and an exposed space where customer has information at his fingertips. So shifting from what is convenient for a customer is very easy as of today, and following that convenience along with the customer and learning about his behavior is the most biggest challenge. And today's world, I think Amazon is doing a great job at it, and so many of us agree to it. That I would say is the most important part. Other trends would be IoT. IoT is one of the most important thing that we can't ignore. Most I would say for the longest time we've ignored Alexas of the world and the devices in the house, but today they are the one that is actually predicting customers' behavior. The other trend I would say is it could be blockchain, it could be a connected network, but definitely that's also coming in different shapes and forms. So we actually have to be watchful. These are the trends that I think are going to be important.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.